highway, I mean, so I just started over. Here we go. Now I can see trucks again. U-Haul. We can get the station again now that we're closer. Darling, you never even called me by my name. I remember when this one was so popular on the radio. We haven't seen the sun for days. It's nice it's back, at least for a while. Alright, now we're closer to the road again, so... Come on, Cheeto truck. At least I think I got one, but I don't think it was very good. So I'm going to keep trying. Good angle right here. And there's a U-Haul next to us. What a wonderful day, hon. Really had some fun making Rob Elliott as a contact was excellent. I am so thrilled about that. All I have to do is share the stuff with him and he's got the rest. Really gonna make it easy for me. I'll just share in my own circles. I'll let him deal with the wider audience stuff. So cool. 10 cameras. He said, wow. The day my mom got out of prison. In the rain, to the dang pickup truck. She got run over by a dang old train. And around as long as you will let FedEx. Now we're seeing lots of traffic. playing all the country classics. I learned all the words to this song years ago when I was a kid. Well, I'm hoping that capture I got was good enough.
Hopefully.
I don't know. That you don't, like I said, you said, you don't see the side until almost too late.
Oh, it's...
Yeah.
2 miles till our exit.
It's going so fast.
I know.
Well, at least I got one capture, but I don't really know if it's good enough yet. Bumpy. This is bumpy. Bumping all over. Maybe I won't get any more. I'm not giving up until we're away from the highway. Still watching. There's a bunch of trucks, tankers. There's still time for a little bit. We're veering away. Oh well, I tried. I got one, but it may not be very good. I don't usually get video of this stuff. This is stock footage. How do you know there's not one in Madison?
We don't.
Making a delivery somewhere.
We don't.
Well, who knows? They hit grocery stores, they hit gas stations along the highway. You never know when.
Slow down.
Yeah, never know.
Oh, the guy behind me.
Oh.
Racing to try and get in front of me, but he's going too fast.
Turned into a beautiful day.
Yeah. No doubt. The clouds are gone.
It's nice.
The front moved away.
There's a lot of people on the side of the road today. Oh my.
Away.
Yeah.
Away.
Holy cow, there's a lot happening today. A lot of accidents or distress. Wow, I don't know what's going on out there, but
It's the end of the month. Maybe it's them trying to get tickets.
yes, it is.
Maybe.
Well, some people may need help or assistance.
People may need help, yeah.